delicious and simple recipe again, that's called cappuccino. And cappuccino is a coffee that is very easy and most of us like it. So let's get started. The ingredients of this recipe are as simple as the recipe itself. So we just have 4 ingredients. That's a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of coffee powder. This is the instant coffee powder. 1 teaspoon of sugar, or you can add sugar to taste. You can adjust as per your choice. And this is 2 teaspoons of water. The first thing that I'm going to do is beat the coffee powder, sugar and the water in this glass bowl. So I'm going to add this water in this, the sugar and the coffee powder. So here's our mixture of all 3 things, and you can adjust the quantity of coffee powder, water and sugar per your need. Now I'm just going to take a hand blender and whisk this and make it frothy. And you can also use a whisk to make the froth for this, or just beat it with a spoon. So let's just use this hand blender to make this froth. Now I've transferred the mixture of coffee, water and sugar into this glass, so it's easier for me to blend. And I've added 2 tablespoons of milk from the same 1 cup of milk, so I can make the froth easily. And you can see the milk has started to get frothy. And I'm going to continue whisking this or blending this till it becomes thick and frothy. Now here's the froth that we just got from blending it with the hand blender, and I added some milk, some water, sugar and coffee. Let's proceed with making our coffee now. This is the milk which I'm just going to heat it. Now here's our mug, and I'm just going to put some coffee in this, to spread it like this slightly. Okay, after adding this, now I'm going to heat the milk. Now here's the milk that I'm heating, and I'm not going to boil it actually. I'm just heating it till it's really hot. Now our milk is heated really well, almost boiled in fact. And now I'm just going to pour this milk in this coffee. Now this is our coffee, and I'm just adding some more of this froth that we prepared just now. And I have some coffee powder that I'm just going to dust on top of this. And this is a cappuccino. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple cappuccino recipe. Do try this at home and share your comments, and do like, share, subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. For more recipes, tune in. Till next time, thanks and bye-bye.